Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your photography business with SmugMug. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Log in to your SmugMug account. If you don't have an account, sign up for a free trial. Navigate to the Settings tab in the upper right corner. Select Business from the menu options on the left. Choose a plan that fits your business needs. Customize your brand settings, including your logo and color scheme. Set up your storefront by clicking on Website in the left menu. Select Design to choose a layout for your portfolio. Upload high-resolution images to showcase your best work. Organize your photos into galleries for easy access. Use the pricing section to set prices for prints and digital downloads. Enable e-commerce settings to allow clients to purchase directly from your site. Promote your galleries using the share function on each gallery page. Consider using the built-in SEO tools to improve your site's visibility. Connect your social media accounts to share your work with a wider audience. Encourage client engagement by adding testimonials and reviews to your site. Monitor your sales and traffic using SmugMug's analytics tools. Make adjustments based on performance to optimize your offerings. Regularly update your portfolio to keep content fresh and engaging. Leverage SmugMug's integrations with other tools for marketing and workflow efficiency. Continue refining your approach based on client feedback and market trends. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.